Welcome to the part 9 of our digital marketing session. So, in this part, we shall be seeing what is search network. So, let's start theoretically. A search network can be defined as a group of search related websites where your ads can appear. So, it's very simple. Like you go to Google, then you go and search for something. For example, we are looking for a photography course. Okay, looking for photography course. So we get the ads on the search engine page. It is on the search page, and as we saw, this is search. This is ads, and this is called search results. Which things on the top is called as ads, and which is on the center part is called as an search result, and at the bottom again we get the ads. There are also different pages which are associated to the search results. So this for example, like Google Maps, Google Shopping, Google Images, and other websites which is partnered with Google also gets these ads on them. For example, we have this Google Maps, right? So the problem being is that nowadays people are posting the device which they want the ad to come is always set up to mobile phones because we all use mobile phones more than computers and laptops. So the advertisers, they target mobile phones and they place their products on different things. For example, if you have ever played a game or if you have ever installed a new app which has a lot of features. For example, you if you have played the game like PUBG or Candy Crush, you get a lot of ads. And if you use these apps like InShot or you take photos, right? Photo editing apps, or you take this movie viewing apps and torrent app. So whatever mobile apps you use, there is always this ads coming. So these are something associated to our a search result. That's what we are trying to convey using a search result. This a search network is nothing but a search related website where you get your ads can appear other than the search engine search engine results. For example, maps, shopping, Google Images, and other websites with partners with Google. So there is this program called as AdSense. So using this program called as AdSense, you can so AdSense is a program with which you can partner with Google. I mean, you have a website or you have a page with a lot of traffic. Means you can partner with Google and you can make Google post ads on your page. So that's how AdSense works. So even in YouTube, you get a lot of ads, right? So that's also a search network. So like Maps is a search network, shoppings, like when we look for a product we get a lot of this example. Let's see a DSLR camera. DSLR, see this is shopping by Google, so this is sponsored. So this is what we mean by a search network. So why is search network important and what are the benefits of search network? Let's examine this now. So when I speak about search network, I mean that there are different platforms which are associated to the search engines. For example, like we have YouTube and other stuff, right? So this is, I mean, like all these pages, you have shopping. We'll start with this. So on seeing an ad, you click on to this and you come here and you see a camera which you are willing to buy. You just search for a DSLR camera and you get a result. And because of this ad, you go and purchase it. So what happens? The marketer who has advertised his or her product is benefited because of this search network. Rather than you just looking for, I mean, you're searching just for a DSLR camera and you're not for like for buying also. You just want to know about it. So here are ads. So this is a normal ad which is posted in the search engine which is optimized for the keywords DSLR camera. And similarly, the search network has the ads put up on it which are sponsored. Okay, and this search network is the search, I mean the shopping, Google Shopping is a partner here. And there can also be different websites who does, for example, yeah, we have this okay, let's not use all these websites. We'll go to a different, okay, techradar.com is a website, so we can go to this website and see how are this search network working here. So this is an ad. We just keep scrolling down, down, down. Suddenly you have this pop-up appear. So ads by Google, you can have a look at it. So ads by Google, how does this website contain ads by Google? This is website is not owned by Google. This is something called as tech radar. Okay, tech radar is not owned by Google. So how does this website have Google's ad? So here's the answer. The answer is it's because of the search network. So and you get all these videos. This is because of the, I mean, this video is posted by the creator and this does not have anything with the ads. So I'm telling about this part and this part. As we already saw, ads come on the top sides of the search engine. See, visualize your key metrics of your web servers right now. So micro focus. So these are ads. These are ads. It's easy to find an ad. Okay. So this is one example. Mm, and there can be example like lively, you can check, you can take your mobile phone, grab out your mobile phone and search for a cafe or restaurant or something in your place. For example, you're looking for a bicycle or you're looking to buy a motorbike or you're looking to buy a property, something other, just search for it. You'll be surprised to see in your Google Maps that there will be at least 3 to 4 ads on the top. That is the Google Maps search results. Maybe in a desktop or a laptop you won't get more of ads, but let's check out for this result itself. See, I've searched for DSLR cameras, and okay, these are all organic because if it's a paid ad, you'll be notified it's a ad. Okay, but it's all organic. Hmm. But in a mobile phone, because we use mobile phones to navigate, right? So that's when an ad works effectively. So people, that is advertisers, they post ads on Google Maps with the placement on a mobile device, not on a laptop or a computer. Because in a previous video itself we saw about like the placements and what are the device used. So I'll just show you again. So there is this option where you can choose what device you want to use. Let me go. So see here, we have these devices where mobile is the most used device by people, and most of the ads are landed in mobile. So exactly this also happens here. So people use mobiles, right? So they post this kind of ads in mobile phones. So coming back to the topic, search network. So how can an advertiser, how can we as an advertiser use this for a benefit? So we can have a clear idea about our product and how the market is working, because that is something which we really need to know, because market keeps on changing every day. For example, yesterday there would be a product which is on a very good hype, but today the product is not that much liked by the customers. And yesterday people would have used laptops and PCs to search things, but today they use mobile phones. Similarly, like different parameters in the market are varying every day. So how can you come to a conclusion and how can you post an ad? So a good solution can be search networks. So we can not just rely upon the search engine to post on the search results. Other than that, we can examine like what type of product we have first. For example, you have a tangible product like a laptop, mobile phone, or you sell pillows. Okay, let's consider you sell pillows which are like fancy pillows with all these animated cartoons over it. Okay, so that's your product. So where can this be a platform where a lot of traffic is driven. So not just in Google shopping, they can also try Google images, because people search for these kind of images or these kind of things to use for their wallpaper or for other props. So if that's the case, you can use different platforms like let's see, pillows, cartoons, AR. So see, the first thing is images. As I told you, if we are gonna see, we have the shopping where we get this thing sponsored, right? So similarly, we can use images to promote things. So that's what we are trying to convey using search network. So hope this is something really important and you understood. Uh, in the next video, we'll be seeing about ad formats. What are the different types of ad formats available, and I'll just use Google's tool itself to show you what are the ad formats which Google AdWords accepts. And after that, we'll be seeing about the AdWords terminologies. What are the terminologies, I mean what terminologies which are been there. Before that, we'll also see about shopping ads. So by this three topics, our module gets over. After that, we'll have some activity, and we'll wind up this session, and we'll go for the next part. So thank you so much. Until next time, have a great day.